Hi, welcome to Shri Management channel. For those of you who are here for the first time, my name is Pramod Mukamala and I am a GST practitioner and a tax consultant. And by virtue of my academic qualification, I am having a PG from Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore in finance. Today, I am going to talk about a good news. We are going to introduce a series of videos explaining about GST. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. We all know that. But as an income tax practitioner, what I observed is that a lot of people who are practicing in direct taxes would not venture into indirect taxation. And in case if you're practicing an indirect taxation, you would not get into direct taxes because each of them are an ocean on their own and they have their own nitty-gritties. The problems I see is that GST being introduced very recently, a lot of us are not so much familiar in the rules and nuances of GST. And I was researching on that, and after my research, I found out that it is not so difficult if we have a structured understanding of that. And secondly, what I was thinking is that a lot of people who wants to venture into servicing their clients in indirect taxation, especially goods and services tax, they try to tend and find resources online quite inconvenient because they were not either structured or they did not find the right resources, so they generally sprang upon filing a GSTR return and they end up finding a lot of nuances tough to understand on how to really file it without any mistakes. So obviously, we'll end up having a lot of clients who are either dissatisfied or getting notices. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that we are going to start a new series of videos, and it is going to be a 10-minute or a 15-minute capsules where you can understand not only the concepts of GST, but also how to file it online, how to handle tax notices, and how really we are able to solve problems when we are encountering different customers from different industries. Let's say if you are filing a GSTR return for an online customer, or let's say you are filing a GSTR return for an freelancer who is working in an IT office. Similarly, we will explore different varieties of that. So, what I would say is that you would definitely be beneficial if you would closely follow the series of videos which I'm going to publish. As of now, I'm thinking that the frequency of this should be at a rate of either 2 or 3 videos per week. In case if you are able to really understand and have more questions, you can always post on them, and I would be taking keen interest to answer that. Who would be beneficial? The beneficiaries would be anybody who wants to check this GST practicing as their profession, or who wants to get into first time how to understand the different concepts so that they can benefit academically as well. And of course, in case if you want to check out on the what's latest in the GST area itself, even then you would be beneficial by looking these videos. I would definitely seek your support by enhancing more and more content. So your comments are really valuable to me. So in case if you have any questions, do comment on my videos. And of course, I would need definitely an help from you. Please subscribe and like those videos and do follow me on my channel so that I would be encouraged to build a community of people who would be really interested to discuss the aspects on GST. And in future, I would like to bring in experts as well into the channel so that they can really share and then comment on their questions, because my experience in GST is coming from my industry experience by working with some clients and then also personal experience in practicing. But of course, when we have people who are experienced in GST working for more than 5 to 10 years already, more from the day when on the GST tax has been implemented till today, there would be definitely certain nuances you would be interested to really watch about. So do follow this channel and subscribe so that I would be encouraged to do more videos on this. Hope we will be having a good start in the new year, the new financial year about GST. Thank you so much.